Have you ever thought about becoming a virtual assistant, but felt overwhelmed by where to even start or how to find clients? In today's digital economy, the demand for remote support services is skyrocketing. As a virtual assistant, you'll have the opportunity to tap into this growing market and unlock your earning potential. But what exactly is a virtual assistant? Simply put, a virtual assistant is a remote worker who provides administrative support to clients, typically entrepreneurs, small business owners, and other busy professionals. It's a role that requires strong organizational skills, excellent communication, and a keen ability to work independently. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to enter the virtual assistance field is a lack of knowledge about where to start. They might feel overwhelmed by the thought of finding clients, setting up their business, and learning new skills. Others may be held back by fear of competition or uncertainty about their ability to succeed. But the truth is, there's never been a better time to become a virtual assistant. With the rise of remote work, there are more opportunities than ever to find clients and build a successful business. Fear and uncertainty can be paralyzing, but they don't have to hold you back. With the right mindset and support, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve your goals. To be a successful virtual assistant, you'll need to develop certain skills. First and foremost, you'll need to be highly organized and able to prioritize tasks effectively. You'll also need excellent communication skills, both written and verbal. And of course, you'll need to be proficient in a range of digital tools and technologies, from email management to project management software. Fortunately, these skills can be learned, and there are many resources available to help you get started. One of the best ways to acquire the skills you need is to take online courses or attend workshops focused on virtual assistants. You can also join virtual assistant networks and communities, where you can connect with other virtual assistants, ask questions, and learn from their experiences. And of course, you can always seek out mentorship from an experienced virtual assistant who can guide you through the process. Another key skill is tech proficiency. As a virtual assistant, you'll need to be comfortable using a range of digital tools and software, from Google Suite to project management platforms like Asana or Trello. You'll also need to be able to troubleshoot technical issues and find creative solutions to problems. But don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. These skills can be learned with practice and patience. When it comes to finding clients, there are many effective strategies to maximize your earnings. One of the most important is to leverage social media. By building a strong online presence and networking with potential clients, you can raise your visibility and attract new business. You can also use freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find clients and bid on projects. And of course, good old-fashioned networking can go a long way. Attend virtual events, join virtual assistant networks, and connect with other entrepreneurs and small business owners in your community. Another key strategy is to specialize in a particular niche or industry. By focusing on a specific area, such as healthcare or finance, you can differentiate yourself from other virtual assistants and attract higher-paying clients. You can also develop a unique value proposition that sets you apart from the competition. Finally, it's essential to have a solid marketing strategy in place. This might include creating a professional website, developing a lead magnet or free resource, or even running paid ads on social media. By promoting your services and showcasing your skills, you can attract new clients and grow your business. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? As a virtual assistant, you have the potential to earn a great income, work from anywhere, and enjoy the flexibility and freedom that comes with being your own boss. By developing the right skills, finding the right clients, and marketing your services effectively, you can unlock your earning potential and achieve financial independence. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.